Welcome back, you guys. My name is Misha. I'm a grad student in Tokyo, but now I'm just chilling in America because of the entry bans, because there's a global health crisis, and yeah, the world's kind of falling apart. Hello, 2020. So today I just wanted to share some of the materials, some of the components, some of the various things that are keeping me somewhat mentally stable during this worldwide quarantine, lockdown, end of civilization, apocalyptic time. Okay, so first things first, definitely I like to set the vibe, and I'll just show you kind of what that looks like. I might not be able to stay in a 5-star hotel, but I can sleep under a billion stars. But yeah, I just try to keep a rather moody aesthetic. Welcome to my corner. So part of what keeps the vibe going here, I have Oikawa. He's switching colors to vibe. I have these meditation beads. We call it a mala. It's just a really great way to start the day mindfully, get my brain somewhat feeling okay, just raising my vibration, setting the tone for the whole day. I definitely need mental health breaks with all the schoolwork and everything going on, so it's okay to just tune out and just play video games for an hour or two once or twice a week, and it might not be the most productive, but it helps me escape into a happy place. And then I just have this candle here. Thanks for coming to my corner with me. So another way I like to escape this world and go to other ones is via books. I know, not very groundbreaking, but it is what I do. And I've been rereading and also listening to Howl's Moving Castle for like the 80th time. Actually, a lot of people didn't know that this was a book first before it was a movie. And while I do, this is like one of the rare instances where I prefer the movie over the book, and I can talk about why, but the number one reason is Howl's actually really nice in the movie compared to the book. In the book, he's actually like a womanizer, which is just like books. Other things I'm also reading, I also love reading like paper books. It just feels different than a Kindle. I'm reading the sequel to it, Castle in the Sky, working on it right now. Oh sorry, Castle in the Air. I think the movie's called Castle in the Sky. But yeah, no, this is the sequel. There's also a movie on it. I'll let you know which one I like better. And also I've been reading this, I try to read at least like one self-help book every like 3 months or so. I don't read too many, and I'll go into that later, but this one is actually useful because another thing is that a lot of self-help books are not actually useful. You kind of just get like a dopamine rush by feeling like you're being productive, but you're not actually being productive unless you actually like take those things and implement them into your life. You know what I'm saying? So actually this one is actually really useful, and it gives useful insights into career development and like navigation and things like that. So I really recommend this one. So, you guys know Queen Elwoods once said, exercise gives you endorphins, endorphins make you happy, and happy people just don't shoot their husbands. And while I don't really have a real life husband, I do like to move, and these weight bands are actually a game changer. I can't really go to the gym anymore, and actually I prefer not going to the gym nowadays. I just put on like Haikyuu or something motivating, and I like work out, not like this, but you know, like actually, you can find some videos to show you like how to work out Pilates style. Let me know if you want some recommendations, but I kind of just like going with like my own flow after learning some moves, because I don't really like to go too strenuous, because if it's too hard, I'm not gonna do it. So I just do what I like, and if it doesn't work, it's fine. At least I'm moving my body some way, and then we just have these weights, and I kind of like how they match. It just like makes me feel nice, and they kind of match the stars in the back that you can't really see. But yeah, we're gonna be strong girls. They're still too heavy for me. I guess that's a good thing. And also, I just keep this volleyball around, and it's just like, I'm gonna like hit the camera, but yeah, I can't really do this outside, but I just keep it inside because I just like to wash it and just keep it with me. I don't know why, but yeah, I just like, even though I don't really have like 5 other people to play with, I can just like sit by myself, or you know. Also, when you're in quarantine, not going out and seeing anyone, there's no reason to dress like this. So I always have like, I mean, everyone probably does, but I just like love these pajamas. They say school teacher on them, and I think that's like adorable. I got these in South Korea when I went in December last year, and this is by far my favorite thing I purchased in South Korea. So yeah, I'm not really vibing with the skincare I got there, surprisingly. If you have any recommendations, leave them down below. But yeah, my favorite thing from Korea are these pajamas, and I can wear them all day. I also do like to keep soft things around, like for example, if I'm just gaming on one of the OG bad boys. Oh my god, this matches! That's adorable. I just have like this blanket that I'll just like chill on and like vibe on and like game on in these pajamas, you know. Just keep your own vibes going throughout the day and try to get some movement in, light some candles, take a bath. Every time you feel upset, take a hot shower, because like psychologically, when you take a hot shower, like the warmth you get from the shower is kind of a substitute from like the warmth you get from hugging another person. So if you're really isolated and you don't really feel like hugging trees, because that's also a thing, like an actual thing, like if you hug trees, like the life force like comes into you, because trees are also alive. But actually, if you're upset, if you're lonely, go take a shower, put on some music, and hopefully you'll feel better soon. I really recommend that you don't lose contact with people who care about you. So to keep in contact with your friends, you know, you can have like Zoom hangouts or Skype sessions or like whatever. Make a Google Classroom of your closest friends if you like. But I really like have been starting to like Discord. A really convenient, really fast, really well-developed communication application, and I really recommend you and your friends start a group chat on it. You can have your own server and you can have special emojis, and it's just the best. Like if you don't have Discord, what are you doing? Get on Discord. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone or anything. This is just me talking about things I really like. So yeah, basically just soft things, fluffy things, bright lights, but not like that harsh, ugly, bright white light that, I don't know, every like Asian dad just wants to install because you will study well with bright white lights. But no, actually it's just like harsh and draining to the eyes. No, you gotta set a vibe for yourself, like your own vibe, whatever it is, find it. Like this comforter isn't really my vibe either, but like my other comforter, I don't know, that's another story. But the point is, I need to change this and then hopefully I'll vibe more. There was nothing too groundbreaking, but I hope you found at least something useful. Or if you're having a bad time, I hope this like distracted you from your life and your problems. And if you want, you can tell me about everything down below. But thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you want to see me again in the future. If you really want to see me, hit the bell. See you next time. I think I'm gonna talk more about like my de-stressing routine, and then we can talk about that. So thank you so much for watching. Love you, bye!